Many adolescent girls in Nigeria face abuses of their human rights, including gender-based violence, forced marriage, and female genital mutilation. Additionally, girls are usually forced to remain silent on issues that concern them. The Girls' Voices Initiative was created to strengthen girl-led advocacy efforts on the issues pertaining to the education, health, and well-being of girls in Lagos State, and increase the girls' awareness of important roles that they can play in demanding and creating change. To achieve this, 60 girls between the ages of 13 and 18 were engaged in an intensive capacity building training and afterwards received support from AHI and Rise Up to interact with decision makers and policy makers to effect change in their communities. In their 6 groups, the newly trained girl leaders identified the problems that they would address through their advocacy efforts. Group 1. Young girls being sexually harassed in secondary schools in Agege. Group 2. Young girls dropping out of school and engaging in economic activities in Oshodi. Group 3. Lack of menstrual health hygiene facilities in secondary schools in Lagos Highland. Group 4. Young girls being sexually harassed by boys and older men in Ateolara, Mushin. Group 5. Young girls being married off, deprived of going to school, and engaged in economic activities in Makoko. Group 6. Young girls being harassed by boys and older men in Mende, Maryland. To address these various problems, the girl leaders advocated to different stakeholders in their respective communities. Some of these stakeholders include Tutor General, Permanent Secretary of Education District, local government chairman, councillors, community heads, religious leader, public security personnel, principals, teachers, youth group, parents, and adolescent girls. Some of the activities carried out by the girl leaders include interactive community dialogue, advocacy meeting, girl forum meetings, media awareness campaign. Additionally, the girls engage in other activities including COVID-19 relief support, installation of hand washing stations, self-defense training, and turning junk to art. As a result of their advocacy efforts, the girl leaders were able to secure commitments from stakeholders to address the problems they identified in their communities. The Tutor General of Education, District 1, committed to ensuring the implementation of Lagos State safeguarding and child protection policy in schools in Agege and across the district. The local government chairman committed to supporting out-of-school girls in Bolade, Oshodi. The Tutor General of Education, District 3, committed to improving the sanitation facilities in schools in Lagos Island. The Ballet of Ateolara market women leader and the police committed to mitigating issues of sexual harassment in Mushi. The Ballet of Makoko committed to establishing community vanguard to mitigate issues of child marriage in Makoko. And the Ballet of Mende and local government councillor committed to standing against all forms of sexual harassment in Mende. To girls and women everywhere, I issue a simple invitation. My sisters, my daughters, my friends, find your voice. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, Nobel Prize laureate and former president of Liberia.